Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. I'm Chef Manzoor Hassan Balgari from Gilgit, Baltistan. As usual, you're watching my YouTube channel Balgari Kitchen, and today in Balgari Kitchen, I bring another super duper recipe, which is aloo keema and chickpeas. I'm going to add additionally chickpeas, which is very good in this dish. So aloo mean the potatoes. It's like minced beef, so I'm going to make it in today Bulgari kitchen. So please do subscribe Bulgari kitchen, share it to friends and family, and please don't forget to give your lovely comments. It will help us to improve our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching Bulgari kitchen. So viewers, I'm going to show you all the ingredients which I prepare for this recipe. So please keep watch the full video for this recipe to step by step. Let me take you to the kitchen. Here I have beef mince, some chopped onion, potatoes, chickpeas, which is I already boiled some, or in the leaves, chopped tomatoes, cooking oil, green chili, garlic, ginger, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and salt. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for the beautiful recipe. So viewers, let's start our cooking. Here I have already had one pan which is hot. I'm going to add some oil, which is cooking oil. So I'm going to add onions. Saute the onion until it's golden brown. So almost the onions are soft. It's time to add garlic, ginger, saute till the onions are golden brown. Keep stirring. Saute nicely with the ginger and garlic. It's almost changing the color. Now it's time to add the spices. Here I have coriander, turmeric, red chili, salt. Mix nicely. Now almost all are done. Now it's time to add the keema, beef mince. Pour all together and mix all together. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. Spread the tomatoes and mix with the beef mince, and add also green chilies and cook until it's done. You can see the oil rise on top. Cook 10 to 15 minutes on slow heat. You can see the oil rise on top. Now it's time to add the potatoes. You can add the potatoes, which I cut in small. And you can mix it. And let's cook for another 5 to 6 minutes until the potatoes are done. So let's see, our keema is going to be ready with the potato. It will take few more minutes to done the potato. So while it's cooking, we're going to serve this one with paratha. So I have here already another pan which I'm going to make paratha. Let's put here paratha. Look at this paratha. So our keema is almost ready. I'm going to add chickpeas in my keema and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Look at this. This is very nice recipe. Aloo keema with chickpeas. It will be more delicious. turn the paratha on other side. Yes. Look, the paratha is ready. Our keema is ready. Look at this. Nice keema. Now it's time to add corianders and mix nicely. Look at this. Our keema is ready. Switch off the flame. Just add keema in serving dish. Add some coriander garnish. We're going to serve with paratha. You can serve with naan bread, any kind of bread. It's nice to be with paratha. So viewers, looks our beautiful aloo keema and chickpeas is ready. It's look delicious. Let's try how it's look like. Let me try with the paratha. I'm just going to get one tiny bite. It's quite hot. Very hot. Wow. No, I'm not expecting this, but believe me, it's super delicious with chickpeas and potato. Normally they put green peas and potato, but I additionally add chickpeas, so it's look more delicious. Let me try one more. So viewers, if you didn't subscribe Bulgari Kitchen, please do subscribe Bulgari Kitchen. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely, beautiful comment. Thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen. Have a great day. I will come with another super duper recipes. So keep watching always Bulgari Kitchen.